In today's video, we're going to be upgrading our camera equipment. Check it out. Hello everybody, my name is Phil and welcome to Miranda Detailing, where we make satisfying detailing videos. Today's video is a little different because I want to share this with you. We are going to be upgrading our camera system, and what I'm doing with the old is actually offering it to you guys. So let's see what I've been using for the past year. Here it is, guys. This is the Canon G7X Mark II. Now, I bought this just over a year ago now, and I've been using it for all of our videos. So if you're interested in our videos, then click up there on the link and it will go to a playlist of our videos that we put out throughout the year of interior and exterior details, reviews, and much more. So what I'm going to do is offer this to you guys if you are interested. If you are just starting out and you want a good camera for videos, for vlogs, this is it. This is an awesome camera and I have loved it. The only reason I'm upgrading is because there's a few options that I want. I'm going to be upgrading to another Canon camera, a DSLR that has exchangeable lenses and a mic input. That's really all I want it for. So unfortunately, this doesn't have the mic input. This little fuzzy thing up here is actually a little Velcro piece that I custom made that goes over the microphone, and basically it muffles sound. So it makes the sound quality actually better, kind of like a wind muffler. I also have custom installed here is the mag filter. So this is actually a polarized lens that magnetically attaches to the camera. So I have the battery out of it right now, but it comes with 3 batteries, 2 of these 16 gigabyte SD cards, 2 chargers, and these are actually really nice because this one plugs into the wall. This one also plugs into the wall, but you have the long cord here, so you got 2 different options. I'm also going to throw in the rubberized tripod here, which you can attach the camera to the top here, actually secure it in here, which is nice, and then everything articulates. So I'll include that in the kit, as well as the little bag that it comes with. And this camera really is awesome. So you have your fully articulating screen. It's touchscreen, and I actually have a plastic screen protector on here since I purchased it. So if you take this off and you want to replace it, you'll notice that the screen underneath it is in perfect condition. Now, you're going to notice, it has little things here and there just from wear and tear, just from using it. But it doesn't affect anything on the camera. The camera works perfectly. No issues whatsoever. In fact, if it doesn't sell, I'm just going to continue to use it. I'll only upgrade if I sell the camera. So if you guys want it, let me know down below. And basically what you can do is I can send you a link to PayPal where you can purchase the camera. I'm going to put the whole set here on, well, I was going to put it on eBay, but before I do that, I'm going to offer it to you guys, my viewers and subscribers, anyone who's interested in buying the camera. In today's date right now, it is March 2nd. It's about 4:15, and I'm going to be basically dropping the video probably as soon as possible after this, in the next half hour or so. And so if you want it, it's going to be $500 for the whole bundle, for the whole total. I did some research. The camera alone is worth about $500. Even as it stands now, it's got a little bit of wear and tear on it, but as it stands alone as a used camera, that's what the going price is. I bought it brand new for about $700 with the whole kit and accessories, plus I dished out some more money for custom accessories like the mag filter that goes on here. Again, it's just magnetic. It doesn't affect anything when the lens pops out, which here, I'll install a battery and let you see. Okay, I just installed the battery. Lens pops out. It has no problem at all. And the camera has a lot of nice features. You have the ring here that actually will affect different types of things. You can program it for focus, for zooming in. It has 4 times optical zoom. So there's a lot of options there. The screen on the back here is really nice because it does articulate. It goes all the way up if you want. It actually comes out like this, like it extends really far, which is great. The video quality on it is awesome. If you guys want to do research, I'll have a link down below that shows specs Basically, I'll just pull it off of Amazon. There'll be a link probably from Amazon that has a lot of the specs for this. And it's going to come in its original box. So I don't have it shown here, but I have the original box and packaging for the camera. So it will come with that, as well as all the rest of the accessories that you see here. So if you know anything about this camera, you know that it is fully touchscreen as well. It has time lapse. It has all these different features on it. You can go fully manual. It has 1080p at 60 frames per second. And the camera quality itself is amazing. The lens on it is awesome. The processor in it is very fast. It has a 1-inch diameter, or not diameter, but a 1-inch sensor, screen sensor in here. And the f-stop on this, the light aperture goes down to 1.8, which is some of the lowest in Canon's lineup. Basically, that allows you to have great low light capabilities. That's another feature why I got this. The new camera that I'm planning on getting, I actually have to spend more money on it. I have to buy a separate lens that has the 1.8 f-stop aperture on it to be able to get the low light. But that's okay. I'm upgrading anyway if I sell the camera, and then I'll do that. But this camera is awesome. Again, like I said, if I don't sell it, then I'll just keep it and continue to use it for as long as I can. But if you guys want it, help us to upgrade. We'll upgrade the audio, upgrade the video. And if you guys want us to do that and you want to see better quality and audio videos, then definitely contact me and we'll sell the whole bundle, 500 plus shipping. So wherever you are, I don't know if I can ship globally. It all depends on how much, but in the States, it'll be much easier. So if anyone is interested in purchasing this camera whole bundle here, then let me know down below or email me or text me. Basically, first come, first serve, and whoever pays, basically what I could do is set up a PayPal link, which you can just PayPal me through Miranda Detailing at gmail.com. That's the PayPal link that you can send money to. And what I'll do is, first one who contacts me, please keep in good communication because I do want to sell this as soon as possible. As soon as I get the address, figure out shipping, and you pay, I will ship this thing out immediately, as quickly as possible, because I need to get a new camera to make more videos for you guys. So that's it, guys. I am selling this camera. So if you are interested, let me know as quickly as possible, because I do want to upgrade, but, you know, if no one purchases it, then I'll simply just continue using it because it is an awesome camera. But if you guys are interested, then let me know down below as soon as possible. I'll have my info down there. Send me your name and address so I can figure out shipping. And if it's cheap enough, I might just do free shipping, but I have to know where it's going. So if it's like $15 to $20, we'll see. I might just split the difference and see what I can do for shipping. I'll be reasonable when it comes to that. But let me know if you want it as soon as possible. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys can actually purchase the camera and start making videos on your own, because it has been a blast making them. Yeah, it's a lot of hard work and it takes time, but I enjoy making these videos for you guys, and I want to upgrade the quality as well. So right now I'm actually recording on my phone, which is great, but I can't be using my phone the entire time to record videos. It would be way too much to do that. So obviously you need a good camera. So thank you guys for watching. If you're interested in any of our other videos, tools, products, check out links below. Click up here for products, and also check out our website. We have a ton of info on there as well. So thank you guys for watching. We'll be making more videos for you guys very soon. So take care.